VK4SRT, VK4GI. Good morning, Steve. You're also 20 dB over 9. Beautiful signal here as well. Good morning, Eileen. Good morning to anybody else on the frequency there. Beautiful morning here in Gladstone. All good. Back to you there, Steve. VK4SRT with the group, VK4GI. Yeah, roger there, Jeff. Hope all you in there this morning, and hope everything's going well away. Nice copy on you there. We're expecting about a 36 according to the rules. I hope it doesn't get that high, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'll pass it down to Eileen and see if you can say good morning to Eileen. VK4GI, first RC. Very good there, Steve. Morning, Eileen. Go ahead. Fairly warm at the moment. It's 29 degrees outside, and yeah, beautiful morning. Still a bit of cloud around, but there's no rain at all, and no rain being forecast. Anyway, all good, and back to you there, Irene. Have a great day, mate. VK2FIDE, VK4GI. Very good, Eileen. Cheers, mate. Cheers, Jeff. Catch you later. Yeah, see you, Steve.
Morning, Jeff. Morning, Eileen, who can't hear me, I don't think. I can't hear her very well. And morning, Steve, VK2XB Mobile.
Yeah, g'day there. Indeed, nice signal, VK2XB Mobile, VK4GI.
Yeah, well, you're always a huge signal down here. I'm just south of Darlington Point, which is between Griffith and Coleambally. 18 degrees, and yeah, we've got a bit of a storm in front. I've been watching some lightning strikes and what have you. So that's to the southwest, I guess, probably. I don't know, down around the border somewhere, maybe Tocumwall's copping it at the minute, mate. But just where I am, it's pretty good. Go ahead, Jeff.
Good on your ND, VK2XB Mobile, VK4GI in Gladstone. Really nice signal from the truck, mate. Great coming in here. Alrighty, you have a good day there, and you get out there and make those dollars so that the federal treasurer can give me some money to drink beer all day. VK2XB Mobile, VK4GI.
You've earned it, mate. It's some of the other people that haven't done anything in their entire lives that I have an issue with. Righto, mate. Cheers, all the best, and I'll put it back to you. Go back to Steve, because I'm not sure he can hear me. Over.
Yeah, good on you, Andy. Beautiful signal. Alright, have a good one there, fella, and let's have another great year, eh? Cheers, and over to you there, Steve, VK4SRT. Thanks, mate, VK4GI. Yeah, roger there, Jeff, pushing in there. I think Gary just said the 20 of BZZ, I'm not sure. But good morning, Andy, VK2XB Mobile, 57 this break, yourself.
Yeah, about 10 minutes ago you were stronger and I could hear Eileen really distinctly, but either I changed direction or the conditions changed or something happened. But anyway, you're still a good 5, and whatever. I never look at the guessometer because I can't see it while I'm driving, unless I put my glasses on, and then I can't see the road. Probably not a good choice, Steve. Over.
Yeah, roger there, Andy. Sure, so I had to have glasses so I could see the dashboard. I just never, it sort of got to the point where I couldn't see the speedo reading, and consequently I had to get glasses. Long distance was okay, short distance was positive. But there you go in there, Andy, I'll send Eileen a copy of it. VK2FIDE, VK4SRT. Yeah, roger, we came to the 2 weeks thing, mate, also is 2 weeks journey. Eileen's got a copy on and off there, then.
Yeah, it's just kind of odd conditions lately, isn't it? But anyway, we are at the mercy of old Sol up there. Anyway, I think VZZ was there, wasn't he? You want to go and call him in, and I'll still be here sitting for a couple of hours yet, over.
Yeah, roger there, Andy, not a problem. Jen, do you want to see if that was Gary the caller that said good morning here? Sure will. Here there, Gary, VK4VZZ in Cairns, VK4GI. How you talking? VK4VZZ in Cairns, VK4GI. Good morning, Gary. Nice to hear there, mate, and how's things up there, over? Yeah, VK4VZZ, VK4GI. Yeah, you got 28 degrees, we got 29 degrees outside at the moment, Gary, so yeah, it's a pretty warm morning, isn't it? They're building up for a bit more rain, let's hope so, anyway. Alright, mate, nice signal, and how's things up there in camp anyway? You going okay, over? Yeah, good on you, Gary, and see if you can talk to the other guys if you like. VK4VZZ, VK4GI, catch you at 1:45. Cheers. Gary, over. VK8NTF, good morning, Tom, VK4GI.
That bloke, he's had a stroke, I think, and he's in Darwin in the Northern Territory.
VK8NTF at Howard Springs, VK4GI with the early bird net. Very good there, Tom. You were just over the 9, only a couple of little bits over 9, but really nice signal this morning. You're sounding good, and is everything well up there, Tom? Over. Yeah, the dog is sleeping. Yeah, and walking around. Sleeping too. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, I'd like for you to call back. Yeah, I'll call you in there for the Coral Coast net in a while. 7-3, Tom, and see if the other fellas can talk to you, and I'll catch you later. You go ahead there, Steve. Yeah, thanks, Steve. Good to hear is, as we say, 8 November Tango Foxtrot, Salute 4, Sierra Romeo Charlie, over. Very good. Roger there, Tom. Airfield coming in this way for moment, 550. It's no problems whatsoever. Beautiful copy on you this morning. And I copied everything you said, the warm sleeping, and the four-legged sleep just sleeping as well, so back. Over. Alright, yeah. I've lifted up my glasses outside somewhere. Alright, thank you very much. Yeah, Roger there, Tom, don't run away. I'll keep Eileen's got a copy on you. VK2, SRG, or SRT.